Okay, look at this. I just stepped out the door. I mean, really? Alright, this is full-blown war. Me against you. Look how low he is today. And you know what? I saw yesterday, because my shepherd was barking in the, their yard over here. The awful fence people. Oh, there's a black cat. It's a stray. And I saw him in their yard, just in the corner there under a tree. So I'm sure that's one reason why this 5-foot-long bird is flying over. But now he sees my dogs. He's probably eyeing them up again. Or me. I don't know. He's really... I gotta get a BB gun. Look at him. He's totally checking me out. Ugh. This is full-blown war. Me against you. Whatever you are. I don't even know what that is. Is that a hawk? Is it a vulture? I mean, it's got a couple friends back there. He's way off. Oh, there's a few up way back there. Oh, they're all over there for some reason. Oh, there's more. What's going on with these things? He's got friends he brought back up. Oh. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Anyway. And I know they live in the tree because I saw them go in there. I keep forgetting to walk over there, but now, jeez. Can you imagine if I start messing with the tree? It must be a nest because I saw the big one fly in there and the whole damn tree was shaking. I'm thinking, that's a big bird. Anyway, just wanted to let you know. Ow. Walk much. No. That, it's yet another, semi-nice. This thing is weird right here. Like, how would this possibly... I might see a face once I replay it, but how does that even happen? This almost looks like a design. Like, it's weird. I don't know, but it just seems, the usual. At least they're white. There's nothing going on over on way back here. It's all just clear. A few randoms and more of these things again. But it's chilly out. It's I wouldn't say chilly. It's probably like 80 something. But it's, not hot. It's like a perfect day, actually. Right? Right, Els? Uh-oh. Oh. A little yawner? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Whoa, you got too close. Sniff, sniff. Oh, quit playing with the squirrels. It's not... Alright, must be okay today. He's squirrel hunting. Nicholas. Hi. Hi, Demi. What are you doing? Grass is wet. I'm not going to run in it right now. It's perfect to go muddy up my floors, though. Alright. Ouch. Come here, bud. Alright. Ready? Go get it. So proud of myself. So proud of himself. You're not even scared. What is it? What are you looking at? Let me get a snapshot. You're so pretty. Here he is. Oh, my camera's... You're so handsome. I'm trying to get you in the little sunlight I have. Through the trees. the matter? Did that scare you? Okay. I got a couple pictures. Don't be scared. You're a dog. It's crazy. You're a shepherd. Go over and get it. Go on, let's go peek in the hole in the fence. Go on. Oh, now everybody wants to come look and play. Okay. No, it's cleaner than I thought. Move that back. No, see Kit Kat, do you? You see Kit Kat? Kit Kat? Kit Kat? All right, I know. Mommy closed up the corner, your favorite spot in the whole wide world. Bye. No. No. Excuse me. River. Ew. No. Don't bring that in the house. You know. You're not allowed. No. It's okay.